All right, summer has arrived. We are in Stein, Gallen. You can see a nice little valley behind me. We hiked up that 2 weeks ago. Found quite a bit of snow between 1,400 and 1,500 meters. Today we're gonna go the other direction up into Saintis, towards Saintis Peak, and we're going to go up to about 1,300 meters. Should be nice. Gonna go up 1,000 meters, down 500, so lots of up and down today. And we should be able to see the Kurfürstens in Alpstein. It'll be really nice. Route 3, Alpenpanoramaweg. That's us all day today. Made it to the top of the first ridge. That was built straight up the mountain, as with most Swiss trails. No switchbacks, because, you know, we're Swiss. We don't need any stinking switchbacks. Those are for lightweights. Anyway, we're probably up about between 400 and 500 meters, I guess. And we have a little bit more to go to the top of this ridge, the next ridge. Yeah, so, you know, whenever I fly back to the US, I fill out the customs form, and there's this question about, have you been on a farm or near livestock? And I'm always thinking to myself, well, I hike, and there's really only a subtle distinction between a hiking trail and a farm. Okay, we basically made the second ridge. You can see maybe back there further Glarnish and some of the Glarner Alps. And now we're about to cross into Alpstein and into Appenzell Ausserrhoden and out of St. Gallen canton. And there's your first view of Saintis. to Schwägalp, which is at the base of Santis, and we're gonna get a little lunch. We have a little over an hour until the next bus arrives, so hopefully we'll be refueled and ready to roll.